10 reasons people are leaving Wales. Something feels different, and not everyone can explain it. Across valleys, coastlines, and quiet towns, more people are quietly packing up and moving on. It's not loud, not dramatic, just a steady drift. Some leave chasing opportunity. Others leave trying to escape something they can't quite name. But here's the thing. Wales still has beauty, community, and charm. So why are people leaving? And what's pushing them out? Stay with me, because the number one reason might not be what you expect, and it's affecting more people than you think. 10. Limited job opportunities in certain areas. You feel it the moment you start job hunting. Options can be thin. Outside major cities like Cardiff or Swansea, many towns simply don't offer the same range of careers. A graduate might scroll through listings and see the same roles repeating: retail, hospitality, or care work. For some, that's enough. For others, it quickly becomes a ceiling. Wales has growing sectors like tech, tourism, and renewable energy, but they're often concentrated in specific areas. Experiences vary depending on location and lifestyle. If you're in a smaller town, ambition can start to feel boxed in, like you've reached the edge sooner than expected. And once that feeling settles in, it quietly nudges people toward leaving. 9. Lower average wages. Even when you do find a job, the numbers don't always add up. Wages in Wales are generally lower than the UK average, and that gap can be felt in everyday life. A skilled worker might earn noticeably less compared to someone doing the same job in a larger UK city. Over time, that difference affects savings, housing choices, and long-term plans. It's not that people can't live comfortably, but progress can feel slower. You might be working just as hard, but the financial rewards don't stretch as far, and when people start comparing what they could earn elsewhere, it becomes harder to stay put. That quiet financial pressure builds, almost unnoticed, until one day it turns into a decision. 8. Rising cost of living in some areas. Wales is generally more affordable than parts of southern England, though costs are rising in some areas. Coastal towns and scenic villages that once felt like hidden gems are becoming more expensive. Rent creeps up. House prices rise in desirable locations. Everyday essentials, from food to energy, don't feel as cheap as they once did. A young couple might arrive expecting a slower, cheaper lifestyle, only to realize their monthly expenses are climbing. It doesn't happen everywhere, but it's happening enough to shift perceptions. And when affordability starts slipping, people begin looking outward for relief, even if they'd prefer to stay. 7. Limited public transport in rural areas. Step outside the cities and getting around can become a real challenge. Buses might run infrequently. Train stations can be miles away. If you don't drive, your options shrink quickly. Imagine finishing work late and realizing the last bus has already gone. Or planning an important journey around gaps in the timetable. Transport is generally reliable in cities, but more limited in rural areas. For many people, that constant inconvenience builds frustration over time. It affects work, social life, and even simple daily routines. And when movement feels restricted, opportunity starts to feel restricted too, pushing people toward places where getting around is easier. 6. Younger generations moving away. There's a pattern that's hard to ignore. Young people leaving, often in search of something bigger. They head to cities for university, careers, and new experiences. It's not about rejecting Wales, it's about expanding their world. A quiet town that once felt safe and familiar can begin to feel limiting in your 20s. Over time, this creates a ripple effect. Communities change, schools shrink, social circles shift. And for those who stay, the absence becomes noticeable. It becomes a cycle. Fewer opportunities lead to more departures, and more departures reduce opportunities further. Slowly, staying starts to feel like standing still. 5. Access to services can be limited. In some areas, everyday services aren't always within easy reach. You might need to travel for healthcare appointments, larger supermarkets, or specialist services. For families, this can mean constant planning. For older residents, it can be even more challenging. It's not the case everywhere, but where it happens, it shapes daily life in subtle ways. The sense of being far from everything grows gradually. A simple errand becomes a longer trip. A quick appointment turns into a day's journey. And over time, people begin to question whether a move could make life simpler, more convenient, and less demanding. 4. Weather that wears you down. Wales is known for its dramatic landscapes, and the weather plays a big role in that. But for some people, the constant rain and grey skies can become draining. Weeks can pass where sunshine feels rare. Winters can feel longer for some people. You wake up, look outside, and it's the same heavy sky again. Of course, many people love this atmosphere. It gives Wales its character and beauty. But not everyone thrives in it. For some, it slowly affects mood and energy. And over time, the idea of a brighter, sunnier place becomes more appealing than they expected. 3. Housing challenges in certain areas. Finding the right home isn't always simple. In some places, demand is rising faster than supply. This depends on property type and location. A family might struggle to find a house that fits both their needs and budget. Renters may face increased competition. In popular scenic areas, second homes and holiday lets can influence availability. It's not uniform across Wales, but where pressure exists, it's felt. And when housing becomes uncertain or stressful, people begin to look elsewhere. Not because they want to leave, but because they feel they have to. Stability matters, and when it's hard to secure, moving becomes a practical choice. 2. Feeling disconnected from larger opportunities. There's a quiet realization that creeps in over time. You're slightly removed from bigger opportunities. Major business hubs, industries, and events often feel just out of reach. A professional might find themselves traveling long distances for meetings. A creative might feel like they need to relocate to grow. That sense of distance isn't always physical, it's emotional. It builds gradually until staying begins to feel like missing out. And once that thought takes hold, it becomes difficult to ignore. The idea of what if grows stronger, slowly outweighing the comfort of staying where you are. 1. The pull of bigger cities and broader opportunities. At the centre of it all is something simple but powerful, the pull of somewhere bigger. Cities offer variety, energy, and a sense of movement. More jobs, more connections, more chances to grow. It's not that Wales lacks these things, it's that larger cities offer them on a different scale. Many people still love living there despite these challenges. But for some, that quiet voice saying there's more out there becomes impossible to ignore. And when that voice grows louder, leaving stops feeling like a loss and starts feeling like the next step in their journey. 10 reasons. People are leaving. Wales isn't a story about decline, it's a story about change. Wales remains beautiful, welcoming, and deeply rooted in community. But life moves forward. Priorities shift. Some people leave, others stay, and many return later with a new perspective. And sometimes the places people leave behind are the ones that stay with them the longest. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.